Hey guys, I just noticed my Sabara, so this is my Sabara, this is the new flush, is fruiting, but it's not supposed to be, and it's fruiting very randomly. See that? So those are flowers, and they're coming out of like a stem. There's another lot. See, look at that. So it's like a stem, new growth, and then it's got flowers. Same again here. I mean, aren't these supposed to be flowering on the trunk? So this is the stem. Like it's tiny. That's like double a pencil. And if you don't believe me, there you go. Jaboticaba variety Sabara. So, like you can see, this is the grimmel. I have a few grimmels here. Right? Big leaves. This is the Sabara. Small leaves. So, I don't know what's going on. Like that's the new growth. Like, look, there's just flowers everywhere where there should really be new leaves. I'm so confused. I mean, I'm excited, but I'm very confused. Look again here. Leaves, and you can see a little flower there. Another one there. Oh, here you go. This is a really clear photo of some flowers. Can you see that? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to make of it, but I'm excited. So this is what I'm thinking. I think I've stressed these plants out. So I've got it sitting in some water now, but for the last 9 months, it's just been here. These other ones have been there, and they haven't been getting much water. So over winter, I hardly watered them. And then I decided to put these in these little trays and give it some water. So I think the extra water has just made it go gangbusters. Look again. Look at that. And like, it's not fruiting on the stem at all. How many do I have? 3, 4 other Sabaras, and I have 3 planted in ground, and the trunk's literally 3 times the thickness, and they haven't even fruited. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm excited. I hope these will actually hold. The fruit will set, and hold on till they get ripe. I'm thinking maybe they have mislabeled this. I don't know. I have a couple other grimmels in ground. I might film those as well, actually. And one of them have fruited, and the other one hasn't. And that's fruited all on the trunk. But then, like I said, this one, no flowers, no fruit on the trunks. Just these extended branch twig things. Very, very odd. Anyway, I think this tree would be like what? I think I bought it 2 years ago, and it was about, look, if that's the ground, it would have been about that tall. So it was tiny. So yes, it's probably, I'd say 3 years old now. Should not be fruiting now. Anyway, exciting. If anyone's got any ideas, let me know. Is there a variety of Jaboticaba that fruits like this on the end of branches, not on the trunk. I'm not sure. I feel like maybe they have mislabeled this one as some other variety that I don't even know exists. Anyway, okay.